The car world is buzzing with rumors that Range Rover might be dropping a sedan in 2025. Yeah, a sedan from the kings of luxury SUVs. Known for their badass mix of elegance, power, and off-road skills, Range Rover stepping into the sedan game could seriously shake things up. So, what's the deal with this much-hyped ride? Let's dive in. Range Rover has been killing it with high-end SUVs for years, and with luxury sedans getting hotter than ever, it looks like they're ready to take things to the next level. The 2025 Range Rover Sedan is expected to be a perfect blend of high-class sophistication and the rugged DNA that made the brand legendary. While they're keeping the official look under wraps, inside sources say the design will take cues from their latest SUVs. Think sleek, aerodynamic lines, a floating roof, a bold grille, and some seriously dope LED lighting, pure elegance with a modern twist. Under the hood, you're looking at some next-gen power with both hybrid and full electric options on the table. That means sustainability, innovation, and of course, a ridiculously smooth and powerful drive. All-wheel drive? Obviously. No way Range Rover ditches its adventurous roots. Step inside and you'll be surrounded by pure luxury. Plush leather seats, high-end wood or metal finishes, and a minimalist yet futuristic dashboard. Expect a fully digital cockpit, a cutting-edge infotainment system, and all the latest driver assist tech to make every ride feel effortless. If this sedan delivers on the hype, it could totally shake up the luxury market, going head-to-head with heavyweights like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. It's the best of Range Rover's iconic style, mixed with modern-day sedan vibes, ready to win over a whole new crowd. For now, all we can do is sit tight and wait for Range Rover to drop the official announcement. But one thing's for sure, if this car is as cool as it sounds, it's going to be a game changer.